boy Frost, and I tried making a video of this, but it won't work because because I need a verification code and all that. But I can do it now. Or make the 24 minutes and something long video. So, and my spin that I did on my last video, I ended up getting the worthless Bamu, or how you pronounce it. Now, I'm not sick. I just have a stuffy nose and I need to wait 35 minutes. Really? Are you joking right now? Are you serious right now, bro? I'm gonna be killing a few Yetis and all that stuff. And the other video kind of didn't want to work, so hope this one works. Okay, there's that diamond chest. I know I shouldn't. Some of y'all might go after that chest now and take it away. But I can teleport at I move faster than light speed. I fight Yetis, I do all that stuff. I don't care if I die, I'm supposed to be at the prison anyways. Unlike training over here. Said I would skip the prison island. To reach level 300 from fighting the Yeti. Oh, that was the Gorilla King. I can tell by distance. I mainly want to get a fruit like Dough, Buddha, Venom, stuff like that. But dreams don't come true that often. Who's laughing now? I feel like an astronaut for some reason. Oh, it's your boy, Jerry. It's your boy, Henry. Welcome home, dear friend. How long have we been waiting? I'm trying to remember what they called him. Jerry Drew, and I know there was Jerry. I know there was Henry, and I know there's a William Afton. Boom. Of course. At least I didn't attract Frosty over there. Frosty, the dead snowman. He's just a lump of water. No, a puddle of water. Not a lump of water. And the water just froze. Snowed. Frozen water. Okay, that's how. Play it safe. Of course. Of course, someone just had to ruin my fun. Boom. I found the snowman, man. 161, 161, 161. Okay, I know I have enough to spend, but I wait on my time limits. I wish they got rid of the time limit for some reason. No, I think everyone wishes there was no time limit on the spin. I always go after the Yeti because it gives me money, pretty much. But so bad, how dare you, or Henry, or whatever his name is in that song. You just fall down there and die. Can you just die already, Snowman? Oh, Frosty got a big punch there. Okay, let's see. Been 4 minutes. I got a big goal ahead of me. Big one. Does the Yeti spawn? Nope. No, well, there are tons of Frosty the Snowman here. Time to commit arson. I'll be back after I kill a few Frosty the Snowman. Okay, I'm back and kill a Yeti. This will be 100 and something Yeti. I killed so many Yetis I lost track of how many I killed. I mean unalived, so YouTube don't cancel. Of course. To let you know, this is just pretty much just a remake of the video I was trying to make. So, I'll continue killing this Yeti, okay. Okay. Boom. You're fat. Just continue throwing that temper tantrum. I'll just throw you up into the sky like an astronaut. Just throw you. I'll just throw you. Boom. Of course, you just throw your little tantrum. Your little whiny fit. At least none of the cats are in here. Okay. I keep on dying. I just keep on magically dying somehow. Okay, let's kill you again. Enhancement. Go up to space. Go up to space, not literally. Literally. Go back up to space. Go back over there. Stay 6 feet apart. Come on, throw a temper tantrum. I'll just dash out of the way. Okay. This video might be longer than the other video. I might just turn on the screen for this. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, it's me, your boy Frost. Switching cameras. Yeah. I'm just gonna play like this. Y'all just see that now. Now, let's continue, shall we? I'm just fighting. In fact, I don't know what level of Hawkeye I have. I think it's stage 3. Yeah, you gotta let me stand at a few. That for well. Put that right there. That's turning up my stuff. I'll just keep it right here. Yeah, nothing here. Okay, Yeti. I'll be. Okay. That's alright. It's actually coming out very well. Let's continue calling Snowman. Well, my kitty cat, Midnight. Say hi! Lay down. This ain't one mine. Of course. Snowman. I don't want to die right now. I still got so much to live for. No, I don't need to die right now. I got so much to live for. Now you just see blood. It's actually how I actually play games when I have right here. Over the camera. Lag. The stupid leg. The leg. The leg. What? 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 Okay. I guess we're playing a different game then. Yeah, even cracked myself up. In fact, it's 10 in the morning still. Okay, you know what? Might as well play some of this. This is a game some of y'all may know, some of y'all may not know. Yes, you get to see my face. Now, switch camera. What are you staring at, Kiki? What are you staring at? One of my phone. Okay. Some of y'all may know this game. In fact, no, some of y'all may. Okay, and put you right here. Put that on. Stop moving. Yes, I'm a level 60 on this game. And I always choose the 50. I like the fire mage is much better. Yep, I have the 10 fire mage. I have death's magic. Okay, go down this way, go over here. It hadn't been a while since I played this game. Of course. That little stupid thing. It's fire mage, is okay. Hey, some rocks to break. Close and boom. Okay. I'm not a Saitama, but no. You wanna go, eh? My girlfriend knows this game. I think she remembers it. I think she remembers it. I hope she does. Still miss it. Boom. The death combo. I am death. Yeah. Boom. That's how you probably throw a projectile. Okay, you don't want projectile? Projectile. Yeah, that one was a projectile. Let's kill Emil. Emil, a dead guy. He already dead, man. Oh, I killed two at once. Come on, man. Just give up. Just give up, man. You're nothing. Just wake up to reality. I missed them totally. Why would someone want to kill Natsu the cinnamon bun? Yes, you're gonna be pretty much staring at my cat this whole time. Now, I'm gonna get rid of the camera. Okay, there. Okay, so once I reach level 100, I get Death Aurora. Okay. Oh, not bad, not bad. Not might as well go with 15 minutes. I don't pay them because I just want to. If someone ever draws fan art of this, put the fairy tale symbol on either my neck or my hand. The back of my hand. There's the symbol right up there, if I'm correct. Okay, there we go. Come on now, let's have a little fun, boys. That's a lot of damage. Okay. Boom. So he's a fire dragon, eh? I'm death. Boom. Oh, he has normal fire mode. Now level 62. Oh my. You're just on fire, eh? Level 29. Okay. Star Wars fan. And 1, 2, whatever. Let's see this first. Let's see this. Be the axolotl of my character. This is the mascot is the blue axolotl. He's him. He is the mascot, the blue axolotl. Okay, we'll go here. 10. You know what time that 10:10 is now. Of course. I'm just a fire dragon. Not a fire dragon. I am death. They say death is not strong. People sometimes say black magic isn't the strongest. They are correct there, but it's close to be the strongest. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, no, the video is not over. Yeah, we're going back to the game. Back to game that kicked me out. It's just gonna be a remake of the video that I made that was just sincerely on Bloxfruit. This game is gonna be a whole lot. This video is gonna be a whole lot more crazier. A whole lot more crazier. I know I sound very, very fun, very, very confusing. It's gonna be a whole lot confusing, a whole lot more crazier, a whole lot more. My brain hurts. No, I'm not using it. In these videos, I actually don't plan anything out. That's all the truth. That's the truth about my videos. And I'm also making a project of a gacha video right now, which is Gaster and me stuck in a room with Gaster's fangirls for 24 hours. It's a tornado. Okay. I saw 5 times. 9 times that I got a weapon. 0 times. Hip hip or what? Right. Okay. Nice by my side. I'm just gonna turn that off. Okay. No. That's go right there. Didn't know you could change the style on the thing. Let me move. Always have that on so I know where I'm hitting because I'm pretty much blind. People who wear glasses, okay, I'm in that community. People who don't wear glasses, I'm not in that community, sadly. But I would have if I could. But if I don't have my glasses on, I'm pretty much blind. Time to buy a boat, and hopefully I can spin. So you guys can see how trash my luck is on spinning. Okay, 21 minutes. Not bad. They say everything should be around 5 million% power. Yeah. I don't voice act. I can do body, but I don't know how to sound here. I think it sounds horrible. I think it sounds horrible on here. This video. I hope it didn't for y'all. Let me first take off my cape. Yes, I have my devil fruit that I'm using already in there. Yeah, I need to level up. Really. I use my devil fruit, my sword, and my feet to fight. As y'all seen when I fought the Yeti earlier. Take off my Hawkeye, turn it back on. I have stage 3, I think. I think that's what it is. Stage 3 Haki. Or have y'all pronounced it in the One Piece community? I'm pretty much an anime person. These are all the fruits I have stored. Boy, don't I have a lot. I killed. No, move. Didn't count. More. It didn't count the 100th Yeti I killed. Well, I killed 100 Yetis before I got here. Where I started. What, 12 more minutes. Okay, 12 more minutes will do. I can fight Yeti in 12 more minutes. And possibly gain some more money. Let's fight some more Yetis, shall we? Kill ourselves. Let's not geography. Yeti hunting. Not Geographic Yeti. I think that's gonna touch. That one did. That one made the connection. Gotta be ready at all times, Mr. Yeti. And of course you already are. Boom. I always like to throw them up into the sky like. Go up to the sky. Of course, that's how it goes. I defeated Saw 5 times. I did not get his weapon. That boy does not give up his weapon that easily. I need this Saw. What? You don't need it. You just want it. what I have to say about death. And ooh, another wanted poster of me. Is this a birthday? I know, I don't stand up good, I guess. Okay, how? Oh, oh. Okay. This is your boy Frost, signing out.